Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Diba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanggaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na ikaw ang malakas. Abutin mo ang pangarap kahit gaano kataas. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga ng mga lehitimo, walang naiiba. Sigurado ang bakbakan, walang kaduda-duda. Sa larangan ng basketball kami ngayon bibida. Diba ang lakas ng mga tiga Laguna, palaban ay sipag lalo na sa disiplina. Higil sa laro, alam mo na determinado, papalag kahit kanino kahit saan mo idayo. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Laguna Velvet Cup, Intertown, eto na liga para sa mga lehitimong tiga Laguna. Tinatago na galing, ipakita mo na sa liga na ito ngayon, ikaw na ang bibida. Ibuhos ang talento at galing, wag magpatalo. Isa puso ang laro kung gusto mong ikay manalo. Tanggaling isa sa mga pinakamagagaling sa inyong lugar, ipakita ang dating. Ilabas ang angas at ang inyong tigas. Pagdating sa laro ay hindi umaatras. Patunayan sa Laguna na
frequency.
Hello, hello, hello. Yes, Mike, hello, hello, hello.
Jersey number 7, AJ Loren. Jersey number 8, Terence Corpus. Jersey number 10, Brian Baguio. Jersey number 19, Nigel Lapsina. Jersey number 21, 22, Marwen Disu. Jersey number 27, Neil Failano. Wearing jersey number 30, JP Bumaga. Jersey number 34, James Grant Smith. Jersey number 98, Andre Henshaw. And now in the building moves, jersey number 6, Rob Basti Pares. Together with the head coach, Coach Andrew Felix. Assistant coaches, Aaron Punimbayan and Jiro Punimbayan. And now let's go on the lineup of AG San Pablo City. Wearing jersey number 3, Jim Patrick Bennett. Wearing jersey number 4, RJ Robles. Jersey number 5, Sebastian Troy Valencia. Jersey number 10, Giancarlo Eseo. Wearing jersey number 9, Aaron Quisset. Wearing jersey number 15, wearing jersey number 17, Gian Marcus Mendoza. Wearing jersey number 55, Ken Magomino. Wearing jersey number 27, Mark Vincent De Las Alas. Wearing jersey number 22, Matthew Mejale. Wearing jersey number 30, Ace Adamson Atienza. Wearing jersey number 7, Disentabler Assassin, Mark Lennox Bianya. Wearing jersey number 37, Dylan Rick Garcia. And wearing jersey number 1, San Pablo City point guard, John Leonard Basco. Headed by the head coach, Coach Jake Manasigan, and assistant coach, Coach Renson Marayo. And this is the Laguna Intertown Basketball Tournament took the Boundary Division, Kabuyao Laban sa San Pablo.
And here the starting five, para sa Batang Kabuyao, wearing jersey number 5, Austin Garcia. Jersey number 7, AJ Loren. Jersey number 8, Terence Corpus. And jersey number 10, Brian Baguio. And jersey number 22, Marlon Disu. And here the starting five, para sa inyong San Pablo City, wearing jersey number 3, J. Patrick Belen. Jersey number 5, Sebastian Valencia. Jersey number 27, Mark Vincent De Las Alas. Jersey number 37, Dylan Rick Garcia. And jersey number 1, John Leonard Pasco.
And we are now live for our fourth and final game for our Intertown Basketball Tournament. Live na live dito sa San Pablo City Central Elementary School. It's Kabuyao laban sa San Pablo. First possession goes to San Pablo City. Patrick Belen with a three-pointer, no good. Here comes Marlon Disu. Tisu losing that ball. De Las Alas gives the ball to Garcia. And Garcia finding Valencia, but that's too strong. Bola mapupunta sa Kabuyaw. And the turnover again. This time it's on the side of Kabuyaw. Kaya bola mapupunta San Pablo City. Pasco will try to penetrate, but it's no good. Disu gives the ball to Garcia. Garcia setting up that play, gives the ball to Corpus. Corpus with time to shoot. Disu has to launch that two-pointer. It's no good. Basti Valencia on the rebound. Basti losing that possession to Disu. And here comes Disu on that fast break. Yes, sir! Opening point para dito sa Batang Kabuyaw. Valencia mga kalusot, 2 points! Loren gives the ball to Garcia. He finds Corpus on that letter. Corpus launches a long way, no good. Here comes Dylan Garcia. Garcia. It's a traveling violation for Dylan. So we can see both benches are losing some important players for today's game. 10 seconds to shoot. Corpus to Baguio. No good. Baguio gets his own miss. And follow-up is good for Baguio. Here comes Leonard Pasco on the letter. Pasco finds Belen. Gives the ball to Garcia. 10 seconds to shoot para sa San Pablo. And here comes Pasco, launching along one, no good. De Las Alas on the rebound. De Las Alas! On that perimeter shot, brought to us by Mark Vincent De Las Alas. Corpus to Garcia, gives the ball to Loren. Loren, launch of 3, it's no good. Pasco on the rebound. Pasco dancing against the defense of Corpus. To Garcia! 3 points for Dylan Garcia. And San Pablo was able to get that lead. 7-4. 3-point lead para di San Pablo. Disu on that letter gives the ball to Corpus. Corpus with 5. And here comes Marlon Disu. Launching a long one, that's no good. Valencia gets a rebound, gives the ball to De Las Alas. And De Las Alas almost losing that ball. And he gets that basket. Pushing foul.
There's a foul on
It's called on jersey number 37, Garcia.
First team foul.
First personal foul and first team foul para dito sa kupunan ng San Pablo. So jam-packed evening here at the Central Elementary School, San Pablo City.
And on the shot clock.
And another foul
Another
on
foul
Garcia once again.
It's his second personal foul.
It's back-to-back fouls para dito kay Dylan. Loren on that letter. Loren with 8 seconds to shoot and he needs to launch that one. Loren misses. Basti on the rebound para dito sa San Pablo. Here comes John Leonard. Pasco lays it in. That's too strong for Leonard. And Disu on that letter. Disu against Sebastian Valencia. He misses. It's out of bounds. Same ball.
Same ball, 14 on the shot clock.
And Kabuya has 14 seconds to fire that ball.
And the shoot.
10 seconds to shoot. And Garcia losing that possession. And the ball will go to the side of San Pablo.
San Pablo City ball.
Here comes Belen! Big three for Patrick Belen. Here comes Corpus. Terence answering quickly on the three-pointer by Patrick Belen. And Leonard setting up the play for San Pablo. Belen gives the ball to Basti. Comes to Leonard Pasco. And Belen will launch another long one. No good, but De Las Alas is there for the follow-up para dito sa kupunan ng San Pablo. Sagutan ng puntos on both sides. And Terence once again answers back for Kabuyao. You can see Garcia setting up the play, gives the ball to Belen. To Valencia, back to Garcia. Garcia penetrates, no good. And here comes Nisu on the fast break. Hindi aabot si Leonard Pasio. And the timeout will be called by EG San Pablo City. Official score 14-10 in favor of San Pablo City.
Remaining time 3 minutes and 40 seconds score. 14-10 in favor of AG San Pablo City.
Leonard Pasco gives the ball to Belen. Atienza is now inside for AG San Pablo City. Robles couldn't get that pass. Here comes Rob Panes. Launches. It's no good. Atienza. Out of bounds for San Pablo. It's
14 on the shot clock.
Kabuyo ball. From Panes, and Marlon Disu gets that basket with a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 1, John.
It's a foul on Asco.
First personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot for Marlon Disu.
That's our cover rise, so play of the game. You can now see the birthday boy, Mark Clarence Piña, inside for San Pablo City. Patrick Belen is about to Valencia, that's out of bounds. Ball will remain on the side of San Pablo with 14 to shoot. Mark Clarence finds Belen. And a chance for Kabuyo to take the lead. Here comes Panes. Panes dancing against the defense of Belen. Panes bounce pass to choose number 27. Back to Panes. Panes, and he gets the lead for Kabuyo. Valencia. Bounce pass to Robles.
Same ball, 12 on the shot clock substitution.
12 seconds to shoot para dito sa San Pablo City. Pianya maglalabas na bola, gives the ball to Valencia, and here comes Robles, penetrating inside. No good. From Spanes. Out of bounds for Rob. Pianya setting up the play. Pianya asking for a screen. Pianya penetrates, and he is fouled.
There's a foul on jersey number 6, Rob Panas.
It's a foul on Rob Panas. That will be his first personal foul and
Two
first
shots
team foul.
for Mark Pianya.
2 shots para dito kay Mark Clarence Pianya. He misses his first one. Second shot is good for Mark Clarence Pianya.
And the shot clock.
10 seconds to shoot para dito sa Kabuyao. And Smith launches that one. It's a miss. Here comes Mark Clarence on the letter. Gives the ball to Gian Mendoza. Gian Mendoza finds Atienza.
Second on the shot clock.
And Valencia will try to launch that long one. It's no good. It's all 15. Corpus finds Panes, but Atienza is there. Here comes it. The AAA ace, Adamson Atienza. Gives the ball to Mark Clarence. To Robles. Robles. Pianya on the follow-up, still no good. Smith gets that possession, but that's out of bounds, and the ball will remain on the side of San Pablo. 14 seconds on the shot clock para dito sa mga bata ni Coach Jeric at ni Coach Renzol.
49 seconds remaining.
49 seconds left for our opening quarter. Robles will launch a long one. That's no good. We have a whistle
There's a foul on jersey number 34.
on jersey number 34, James Smith,
First personal foul, second
on
team
that
foul.
contact against Valencia. Isa Chensa gives the ball to
And on the shot clock.
Valencia. Back to Chensa underneath. That's too strong for Ace. Pailano on that rebound. Gives the ball to Rob. Rob Basti on that letter. Rob Basti bounce pass to Pailano. Pailano penetrates the middle, and it's good. 10 seconds left for our opening quarter. Mark Clarence attacking. Mark Clarence will be blocked.
3 seconds.
Valencia spins and fires. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score is 17-15 in favor of Kabuya. When we'll be back after this short break. And this is the start of our second quarter. This is still a matchup between San Pablo and Cabuyao, and Failano opening that quarter with a big 3-pointer. Here comes Basti, losing that possession. Charon is blocked by Atienza. Pass that ball to Valencia. Valencia spinning. And we have a whistle against Failano.
There's a foul on jersey number 27, Neil Failano. First personal foul, first team foul.
And now that sends Basti Valencia on the free throw line para dito sa San Pablo. And second shot is good para dito kay Basti Valencia. And we can now see the gentle giant of Team San Pablo, Eren Becer, entering together with Matt Behare. .14 on the shot clock para dito kay Rob.
And the shot clock.
Makakalusot. Ito si Ocharon on that defense by San Pablo. Here comes Mark Clarence. Angat sa anin dito ang kalamangan ng Cabuyao. And Gian will lose that possession. Panes! What a move by Basti Panes! And you can now see once again Panes dancing. And here comes Smith for a big three for Cabuyao. Mga sa oins ang kalamangan nitong Cabuyao against San Pablo. Mark Clarence on that letter gives the ball to Kapitan Carlo. Comes Mark Clarence. Mark Clarence behind niya. No good. Matt Behare. And Iseo finally getting a point for San Pablo after that show-stopping performance by Panes and Smith. We have a whistle there.
Jersey number 17, Gian
Jersey number 17, Mendoza.
First personal foul, first team foul.
Failano. Failano trying against Becer, and Becer blocks that attack by Failano, and Carlo Iseo misses that basket. Here comes Rob Basti. Another exhibition by Rob Basti. Another one for Rob Panes. Here comes the sudden slasher. He's fouled.
There's a foul on jersey number 1 on Charon. First
Foul on
personal
Charon.
foul, second team foul, substitution.
Ten seconds to shoot para dito kay Marlwin. And steal by Mendoza. Gives the ball to Behare. And here comes Matt attacking. Yes, sir. daw. Huwag kang makikita mo nakalito sa live. Sa live. Dadaan dyan ang camera.
There's a foul on jersey number.
We have a whistle against jersey number 5.
First personal foul, third
Austin
team
Garcia
foul.
for his
Two shots
first personal
for
foul.
Mark Piana.
13 foul. First shot is good for McCoy. It's 2 for 2 for the birthday boy and the pride of Barangay del Remedio,
Substitution.
Mark Clarence Piana. Here comes Basti on that leather.
And on the shot clock.
Gives the ball to Baguio. And Baguio will launch a long two. It's no good. Rob Basti. We have a whistle. It's on jersey number 5, Austin Garcia.
Foul on jersey number 5, Garcia. Second personal
That will be
foul.
Garcia's
Warning
second.
for penalty. Substitution.
And they're in trouble here. Talking about Cabuyao. McCoy gives the ball to Matt, to Gian. Here comes Carlo Iseo. Mendoza will launch a long one, no good. Corpus. Terence finds Marlwin. Marlwin Disu. Here comes Baguio. And there's a whistle.
There's a foul on jersey number 17.
It's on 17 once again, Mendoza.
Second team.
That will be Gian's second personal foul and second team foul for EG San Pablo City.
Timeout, Batang Kabuyaw.
And the timeout will be called by Batang Cabuyao. Official scores 29-24 in favor of Cabuyao, and we will be back after this timeout.
Back to the ball game. 14 on the shot clock. And shoot. 5.
We are back after the timeout by Cabuyao, and here comes Makoy Piaya, and it's reading on the defense by Cabuyao, cutting down that lead by Cabuyao to 3. Corpus against the defense of McCoy. Corpus finds Baguio. Valencia gets that ball. Here comes the silent slasher to Capitan Carlo Iseo. Babasis ang kalamangan ng Batang Cabuyao, Marlwin on that letter. Marlwin Disu gives the ball to Laxina. And Nigel will launch a long one. Out of bounds, last touch by Laxina. This is the chance for AG. San Pablo City to take that lead back in their favor. Here comes Valencia to Pasco, back to Piana. To Pasco, back to Piana with 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot, and here comes Leonard Pasco. That's short. Matt Behade on that follow-up. And San Pablo reclaims the lead, and here comes Marlon Dizu. Here comes Leonard. Passing that ball. Makoy back to Matt Behade. And a timeout once again will be called by Batang Kabuyao. Mr. Phil, dun lang, sarado yan. Antayin mo na matapos yung second, bababa din ako. Uwi-uwi ka na ba? We are back after the timeout by Kabuyao. That's a run para dito sa San Pablo. Corpus points. Loren on the corner, look good. And Viceres there for that rebound. Here comes Basti. Launches it two. Still good. There comes AJ Loren. Full free. Yes, sir. Big 3-pointer there as an answer to that run by San Pablo. Here comes Matt once again on the nether. Gives the ball to Becer. Becer underneath. Answers back quickly. It's the gentle giant of San Pablo over there. Corpus. Terence will be fouled by Matt Behade. I believe that's Behare's first personal foul. 13 foul para sa San Pablo. "14 seconds on the shot clock. Corpus. Gives the ball back to Corpus. Here comes Rob. We have a foul on this number 1. Pasco. Leonard second. And a warning for penalty para sa punan ng San Pablo. Corpus on the letter. Corpus points Loren back to Terence. Terence points Austin, and here's blocked. Here comes Kid Baldovino. Missing that. Leonard Pasco penetrating to Valencia. 2 points. Wala dito kay Basti. You know, si also Baldovino being deployed for San Pablo. And there comes Terence answering back with a big three para sa Kabuyao. Under a minute left for second quarter. Comes Basti, will be fouled. It's already Austin's third personal foul penalty for the side of Batang Kabuyao. Sorry, Bagong Kabuyao. Valencia gets that free throw. Sorry, it's correction. For jersey number 7. It's AJ Loren, not Austin Garcia, who was a very foul there. Basi misses his second throw. 45 seconds left for his second quarter. Perez, Corpus on the letter. That's AJ Loren. Big bola. 25 seconds. Out of bounds. Dan seconds to shoot. And there's a whistle once again for Leonard Pasco. That would be his third personal foul and a penalty for the side of AG San Pablo City, sending Rob Bastipanes on the free throw line. Basti gets that first throw. It's 2 for 2 for the man with the juice, Basti Valencia. Sorry, Basti Panes. And that's the end of our second quarter. Official scores all 37. And we will be back after the halftime break.
Good evening, everybody. This is once again Shikana Shalshir, courtside reporter, reporting halftime. I am here together with the part of the coaching staff of San Pablo, Coach Lorenzol. Ano pong mga next plan nyo for offenses and defenses for the second half?
Sa defense kami nagkakaproblema ngayon kasi parang masyadong malala yung depensa namin ngayon. Kaya ngayon pagpasok ng third quarter, mas pahigpitin na namin. Sabihan na namin mga player namin na higpitan na yung depensa na namin.
What about naman sa first half? Anong mas in-implement yung offenses and defenses against Kabuyao?
Nahirapan kami sa sa point guard nila kay Rob, pero kaya naman pipilitin namin. Sa offense naman namin, stay lang kami dun sa plan namin na play.
Ako gusto ko marinig yung thoughts mo. Anong thoughts mo nung nalaman mong Kabuyaw mga kalaban nyo? Since we all know that Kabuyaw is a tough team too.
Medyo excited kami kasi prepare naman yung team namin ngayon. Lagi din naman kami may training. Prepare yung team namin para sa kanila. Hindi kami basta-basta magpapatalo.
Salamat po, Coach Renzo. This once again, Shekinah Shelshi reporting halftime. Stay tuned guys. Magko-continue pa po tayo ng game. Back to you, everybody.
Back to the ball game, third quarter. Fifteen on the shot clock. There's the shoot. Time. Lassie Valencia. Eight on the shot clock. Damian Garcia. JB Bumaga, three.
That's JP Bumagal with a big three-pointer para sa kupunan ng Kabuyaw. And we're still witnessing our main event of the evening. It's San Pablo versus Kabuyaw. Pasco de las Alas. Belen penetrates. It's no good. Here comes Rob Bassi with a long one. Yes, sir! And he claims the lead back to Kabuyaw. And a steal by Rob. Pan is dancing against the defense of Belen. He almost loses that one. Bumagat will launch another three-pointer. It's back-to-back three-pointers para sa kupunan ng Kabuyaw. And Panis with another one! 4 straight three-pointers para dito sa Kabuyaw. That's a timeout for AG San Pablo City. We will be back after this timeout. Tino. Patrick Belen misses that three-pointer. Valencia recovers that letter. Out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Kabuyaw. .14 on the shot clock for Kabuyaw.
And on the shot clock.
Terence dancing against the defense of Leonard. And here comes Bumagat Briggs. Bumagat gets that foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 37, Dylan Garcia.
It's a foul on Dylan Garcia. Third personal foul. First team foul for San Pablo.
JP Bumaga.
First shot is a miss para dito kay JP. Second shot still no good. Here comes Dylan Garcia on that leather. And we have a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 30, JP Bumaga, first personal foul. First
Son
team
Bumagat,
foul.
first personal foul and first team foul.
Just for Dylan Garcia.
Kabuyaw and Dylan on the free throw line shooting two. He gets his first throw. It's 2-2 for Dylan Rick Garcia. Miron Viceres being deployed back inside for AG. De La Salas recovers that ball. Basti to John Leonard. Three! Big three-pointer. Much needed three-pointer for San Pablo. Brought to us by the San Pablo City point guard, Leonard Pasco.
And on the shot clock. Substitution.
We are now approaching the 5-minute mark of our third quarter. Here comes Terence. Terence hesitates and he finds Marlon. Marlon Tisu. What a pass to Failano.
There's a foul on jersey number 22, Matthew Bejares,
Foul
second
on Ryan
personal
Bejares.
foul. Second team foul. And on the shot clock.
5 seconds to shoot for Rob Basti. And Basti from way downtown. That's no good. Here comes Dylan to Matt Behare. Another foul for Matt.
There's a foul on jersey number 22, Matthew Behare. Third personal foul, third team foul.
Baguio missing. Comes John Leonard. Leonard Pasco. Showing us some moves there. It's Coach Leonard Pasco. From Basti against Garcia. Panes.
There's a foul on jersey number 37.
Foul on Dylan Garcia.
This is fourth personal foul.
It will be Dylan's fourth
Foul substitution.
personal foul. And Dylan is in trouble here because it's already his fourth. And Terence Corpus firing that three-pointer para dito sa Cabuyao. Extends the lead back to 4. Basi gives the ball to Leonard. Leonard Pasco to Aaron Bueser! What a move there by Pasco and Bueser. And here comes Marlon Disu to Rob Panes. Rob Basti launching! And 3. John Leonard. Pasco will try to answer back with a three-pointer also. That's the point guard himself, John Leonard Pasco. So Basti, step back 3 for Rob Basti. It's no good. Basti. Pass break to Garcia is no good. Last touch by Rob Basti. Carlo Iseo gives the ball to Pasco. Pasco finds Valencia. Valencia spins. Valencia fires. And by Hare. Follow up by Matt Behare is good. Marlon Disu. Still waiting for that show-stopping performance by Disu. Speaking of Disu, he launches but he misses that one. There comes Leonard Pasco, spins. Leonard Pasco reclaims the lead for San Pablo City. Here comes Corpus. We answer back. Terence on that letter. Terence setting up the play. He has to launch that one. He finds Rob Basti. Basti Panes. Happy ka na bola mapupunta kay Aaron Bueser. Here comes John Leonard attacking that defense. And Leonard sends the lead of San Pablo to 4. It's 59-55 in favor of San Pablo, and we will be back after this timeout by Cabuyao. We are back to the ball game after that timeout by Cabuyao. We are now being watched by almost 3,000 viewers online. Watching this epic battle between Cabuyao and San Pablo. Rob Basti on the letter. 10 seconds to shoot para dito kay Marlon Disu. we have a whistle.
There's a foul on jersey number.
Sa foul on jersey number 10,
First personal foul.
Kapitan Iseo.
Penalty.
Very good evening for everyone who's watching our Facebook Live coverage of this Velvet Laguna Cup Intertown Basketball Tournament 25 under division. 40 seconds left for third quarter. Iseo gives the ball to Pasco. Pasco is dancing against the defense. Here comes Iseo. It's too strong for Carlo. That Valencia is there.
Last 20 seconds.
20 seconds left. Robasti finds Marlwin. Marlwin losing that possession. 5 seconds to shoot. Robasti showing us some moves once again. And that's the end. And that's the end of our third quarter. Official score 61-56 in favor of San Pablo. This is the start of our fourth and final quarter. Bakbakan sa pagitan ng Kabuyaw at San Pablo. Here comes Rob Basti. Basti to try to penetrate. No good. John Leonard. Pasco finds Carlo Iseo. Iseo in the middle. Marlwin Disu. Basket para dito kay Marlwin. Comes John Leonard. Leonard is fouled.
There's a
Foul on jersey number 6 from Basti Panes.
Second personal foul. First team foul.
Second personal foul and first team foul for Kabuyaw. Leonard finds Basti, gives the ball to Iseo. Iseo to Behari. What a connection there from AG San Pablo. Waiting for an answer from Kabuyaw. Here comes Robasti on the leather. 5 seconds to shoot. Marlwin will launch a 3. It's no good for Marlwin Disu. And we have a whistle. It's against jersey number 1, Ocharon.
Second personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution.
John Leonard will launch a long one, no good. And we have a whistle.
There's a foul on jersey number 6.
A foul again on jersey number 6, Rob Basti.
Honest. Third personal foul, third team
That will
foul.
be Robson third.
Aaron, what's that?
First shot for Aaron is good. We have another whistle.
Another foul on Rob.
Another foul on Rob Panes.
Personal foul.
That will be Rob's fourth personal foul. Warning for penalty. It's too early for the fourth quarter para dito sa Kabuyao. Here comes Valencia spins. Valencia launches. And it's good. Marlon Dizu on that fast break, no good. Fall off is good for Marlon Dizu. This basket counts with a foul.
Foul on jersey number 5. Basti Valencia. First personal foul.
It's a foul on
first
Basti.
team foul. Bonus shot for Marlon Disu.
Bonus shot is good para dito kay Dizu. Marindan lead to 7 for San Pablo. Basti to Aaron Buiser. Corpus against the defense of Matt Behare. Baguio to Corpus. We have a whistle. So jersey number 27, Failano. That will be Neil's second personal foul, and they're on the penalty. Talking about Kabuyao here. First shot no good for Matt. Second shot is good for Matthew Behare. Corpus dancing against the defense of Coach Leonard. Corpus, what a pass to Loren Failano. 5 seconds to shoot. Marwin Disu has to launch that long one. It's no good. Basti Valencia on that rebound. Under 7 minutes left for fourth and final quarter. Valencia gives the ball to, Pasco gives the ball to Valencia. Valencia to Leonard Fix. Pasco to Behare. Buzzer beater shot by Matt Behare. Marwin Disu to Neil Failano for 3. Big 3-pointer by Neil. Cutting down that lead to 9 for San Pablo. Eseo to John Leonard. Pasco. Intercepted by Loren. Baguio. Marwin Disu on that letter. Marwin. Let's see, basket counts with a foul for Marwin Disu.
Fourth personal foul, second team foul.
Bonus shot para dito kay Disu. Mark Lyons is back inside for AG San Pablo. We are now approaching the halfway mark of our fourth and final quarter. Gian Mendoza gives the ball to Valencia.
5 minutes.
Just a two-possession ball game. That's Baguio for two. Baba sa apat ang kalamangan nitong San Pablo. Leonard Pasco. Try to set that play to answer. And here comes Mark Lawrence for three. That's the silent slasher.
There's a foul on jersey number 17, Gian Mendoza. Third personal foul, 13 foul.
That's Gian's third personal foul. 13 foul.
On the shot clock.
2.9K viewers for live. We have a whistle there.
There's a foul on jersey number 17, Gian Mendoza.
Foul on Gian.
Warning.
That will be his fourth personal foul.
And at the shot clock.
Here comes Iseo. On the letter, 2 points. Marlon Disu will try to launch a three. Leonard Pasco securing the rebound. Pasco gives the ball to Valencia. Valencia, 2 points. It's a foul on jersey number 7. Ianya, first personal foul for McCoy. And San Pablo is on the penalty. First shot for Terence, no good. Second shot is good for Corpus.
Eugene on the shot clock.
And Leonard launching a big three-pointer para dito sa San Pablo. And that's Gian's fifth personal foul. May sabit na si Gian. It's a 13-point lead para dito sa kubunan ng San Pablo. And Baguio on the free throw line. Baguio on that second throw is good. Mark Clarence dancing against the defense of Corpus, and Baguio losing that possession. Comes Marlon Diesel, launches a three, no good.
Seconds.
10 seconds to shoot para dito sa kunan ng San Pablo. Pasco gives the ball to Basti Valencia. Valencia lays it in, no good. Baguio on the rebound. And here comes Disu. Couldn't get that letter for that pass break. And a timeout will be called by San Pablo. Official score is set 83-71. 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. We're back to the ball game after the timeout by San Pablo. Mark Clarence on the leather gives the ball to Iseo. Back to Mark Clarence Piana. And this is the last 2 minutes of our ball game. Patrick Belen. The ball is stealed by Marwin Dizu. Gives the ball to AJ Loren. Marwin Dizu back to Loren. Take covered by Loren. Loren for three, no good. But Aaron Becerco then secured that rebound. Baguio missing. 5 seconds to shoot. And that's Terence Corpus with a big three. 9-point lead by San Pablo City. Comes J. Patrick Belen. And here comes Disu once again. Bounce pass to Aaron Guiser. Guiser gives the ball back to Patrick Belen. And he misses. Carlo Iseo with 10 seconds to shoot. There's a foul.
There's a foul on jersey number 10, Brian Baguio. First personal foul penalty.
So whistle against Brian Baguio. Iseo on the free throw line. He gets his first throw. Isang shot no good para dito kay Kapitan.
45 seconds.
Here comes Rob Basti dancing. Gives the ball to Marlon Dizu.
Yeah,
30 seconds left. And here comes Mark Clarence. 14.
Foul on jersey number 10, Brian
Foul on jersey number 10.
Second personal
Baguio.
foul penalty.
Second personal foul and a penalty. The shot no good for McCoy. Second shot for McCoy is good. Rob Basti is fouled by Mark Clarence.
There's a foul on jersey number 7, Piana. Second personal foul penalty.
That will be McCoy's second personal foul and a penalty for San Pablo. Robasti getting his first throw. Centro is good for Panis. It is down to 7. Last 20 seconds. Ten seconds left. And that's the end of the ball game para dito sa bakbakan ng San Pablo at ang Kabuyaw. Game winner is lungsod ng San Pablo. And our best player of the game is none other than the San Pablo City point guard, John Leonard Pasco. Stay tuned mga ka-Velvet Kismis. See you next week as we bring you more basketball action only here on Velvet South Basketball.
Good evening, everybody. This is once again Shekinah Shelshire, courtside reporter. And that is it for our last game. Once again, Kabuyaw versus San Pablo, 25 under. I'm here together with the best player, Mr. Leonard Pasco. Ano po yung mga motivations nyo today and mga thoughts nyo sa pinakita nyong game tonight?
Yun lang, ang naging motivate namin is yung sinabi ni coach na kailangan nag-start kami ng strong, finish pa rin ng strong.
Ano yung mga in-implement mong offenses and defenses during the game?
Yun lang, nag-focus lang talaga kami, gamit lang kami talaga ng mga screen, then yung trust lang sa kaming mga kakampi. Yun lang, kung sinong open, tira lang ng tira.
Ito, curious lang ako. I just want to know if you felt any pressure the moment na nalaman nyo na ang kalaban niya is Kabuyaw.
Sa amin, halos lahat naman kasi sa amin wala kaming pressure kasi halos lahat may naghahandaan kasi namin yun. So, ready kami kahit sinong kalaban namin.
Thank you. On the other hand, I am together with the head coach, Jeric. Ano po yung preparations and adjustments ang ginawa nyo during training para sa Kabuyaw?
Siguro yung preparation na ginawa namin, pinalakas namin yung depensa namin. Kasi yung Kabuyaw, galing sa panalo kasi mainit sila. Yun, nag-focus lang kami sa depensa. More on depensa talaga yung ginawa namin. Yung adjustment lang na ginawa namin. Kasi yung sa play naman nagagawa naman namin. Kung sa pa-shootan din naman, nagagawa din namin. Kasi yun lang yung kulang talaga, depensa na.
Ano pong game plan ang in-implement nyo earlier as we notice na nagpasunod-sunod ng tres ang kalaban?
Minute talaga sila sa 3 points kaya nag-adjust kami. Nagman, siguro kahit ano rin i-depensa namin sa kanila, talaga nakakashoot din eh. Talagang magagaling din talaga yung Kabuyaw. Kaya sabi sa mga player ko, kailangan yung maging mas aggressive pa sa depensa. Kasi kung hindi kayo magde-depensa, matatalo tayo sa mga yan.
Maraming salamat po. May gusto po ba kayong shoutout who's currently watching our live and supported you here at Amante Gymnasium?
Ayun, binabati ko nga pala yung wife ko, si Joanna May, yung anak ko si Baste. Sa inay ko, kay Inay Imelda, sa family Marasigan, na ingat kayo palagi. Ayun lang.
How about you po, Mr. Leonard? May gusto po ba kayong shoutout who's currently watching our live and who supported you here at Amante Gymnasium?
Ayun, binabati ko nga pala yung pamilya ko, yung nanood ngayon. Then yung aking anak, saka yung asawa ko nanonood din ngayon.
Maraming salamat po. Congratulations, Mr. Pasco, for being the best player of tonight's game. And congratulations to San Pablo for winning tonight's game. This has been again Shekinah Shalshir. That's a wrap, guys. And don't forget to follow and like our Facebook page. Good night, everybody. Back to you.